Now you will hear a short conversation about playground rules. Listen carefully. Questions will appear after the audio ends.
Hi, Mike. Are you ready to play on the slides?
Hi, Lisa. Yes, but remember the rules.
Oh, right. What are they again? I always forget some.
Well, first, we can't push anyone. That's important for safety.
Yes, no pushing. And we have to wait our turn for the slide, right?
Exactly. No cutting in line. And when we are on the swings, we need to hold on tight.
Okay, hold tight on swings. What about sharing? Do we share the balls?
Yes, we always share the toys, like the soccer ball or the jump ropes. And we need to stay inside the fence. No going outside the playground.
Got it. No pushing, wait for turns, hold tight on swings, share toys, and stay inside the fence.
Perfect. Let's go play.
Yay!
What is the conversation mainly about? According to the conversation, what is a rule for playing on the swings? Now you will hear a short conversation about reading challenge. Listen carefully. Questions will appear after the audio ends.
Hi, Mark. Are you joining the school reading challenge?
Oh, hi, Sarah. Yes, I am. Miss Lee told us about it today. It sounds fun.
It does. I want to read more books this year.
Me too. What's the goal? Do we just read books?
You need to read 5 new books in 2 months, not ones you've read before.
5 books? That's a good number. What happens if we finish?
If you read all 5, your name goes into a draw for a prize, maybe a gift card.
A prize? That's great. I'll definitely try. It's a good way to discover new stories.
Exactly, and it helps us practice English.
True. I'm going to start with a fantasy book.
Good luck.
What is the conversation mainly about? Why does Sarah say the reading challenge helps them? Now you will hear a short lecture about ants. Listen carefully. Questions will appear after the audio ends. Today, we're going to talk about ants and how they live together. Ants are amazing insects, and they don't live alone. They live in big families called colonies. In an ant colony, every ant has a job, and they work together as a team. This teamwork helps the whole colony survive. First, there's the queen ant. Her job is to lay all the eggs that grow into new ants. Then we have the worker ants. They do many different tasks. Worker ants search for food to bring back. They also clean the nest and take care of the young ants. They make sure everyone has enough to eat. Finally, there are soldier ants. Their job is to protect the colony from danger, like other insects. So every ant has a special role, and by working together, they make their colony very strong. What is the talk mainly about? According to the talk, what is the main job of the queen ant? Now you will hear a short lecture about rivers and lakes. Listen carefully. Questions will appear after the audio ends.
Hello, everyone. Today, let's talk about rivers and lakes. They both have water, but they are very different. A river is like a moving road of water. It always flows, going from one place to another. Rivers usually start high up in mountains or hills, from rain or melting snow. They always move towards a lower place, often to a lake, an ocean, or another river. So the water in a river is always fresh and always moving. Now, a lake is different. A lake is a large body of water that is mostly still. It's like a big bowl filled with water. Lakes are usually found in low areas or valleys. Water comes into a lake from rivers, rain, or underground sources. But unlike a river, the water in a lake does not flow out quickly. It stays there for a long time. So the main difference is that rivers move and lakes are contained.
What is the talk mainly about? Why does a river's water always move?